In this video, we are going to figure out the 3 ways in which you can earn money from home during a global pandemic.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Swastika, and in case you're new here, I request you to please press the subscribe button. That's the red button at the bottom of the video screen. So the topic of discussion in hand today is to figure out the 3 ways in which women from humanities background can become and earn money from the comfort of their homes during a global pandemic. I thought that this topic was super relevant from a contemporary scenario because global recession is happening, economic recession is happening, job layoffs are happening, which are impacting women much more than they are impacting men, because women are getting sacked. There is a wage difference, a major wage gap between what women are paid and what men are paid, and women are getting sacked and they are being told to work from home or to not work at all. And in most of these cases, the homes that women have are not safe spaces. We have seen an increase, a surge in the domestic violence cases across the globe since this coronavirus pandemic has happened, and women are being forced to stay in their homes. So these are the 3 ways in which you can earn money to make yourself financially independent. I'm talking about financial independence because I feel that before anything, before any kind of equality, comes your financial independence. If your finances are not secure, then there is no way for you to escape your current situation. So these are the 3 ways. The first one that I am going to talk about is teaching. A lot of women from humanities background can teach super easily, and right now we are witnessing a shift from the traditional, conventional, offline method of learning and teaching to an online method. So for this, there are 2 spaces that I have found are super easy to enroll in as an educator, and all it needs is a laptop, a microphone, and your educational content. The content, of course, being the most important part of the requirements. So the 2 platforms that I'm going to talk about is, first, of course, is Unacademy. I say that because Unacademy is a super easy platform to enroll in as an educator, and women from any background can easily enroll in it just by filling a Google form and by installing the Unacademy app on your phone. So the second way of teaching online is through YouTube. YouTube has a big educational market, and in case you are into education and you feel that you want to teach, YouTube is a good place to begin and a good place to develop your clout. The second space that I am going to talk about for you to earn money is through freelancing. So this is also super easy, and I used to do a lot of this when I was in my college days, and it does in fact pay you really well. But I'll just go step by step with you how you have to, make your freelancer profile. So the first thing that you can do is to install the Freelancer app from Play Store. After installing the app, you have to make your account, you have to make your profile. So initially in freelancing, you would say that you have to place bids. Bids means that you have to place that if somebody is asking for work, then you have to bid along with other contestants so that the employer can pick who they have to employ. So the advice for this is that when you begin initially, it's okay to do free work for a couple of times, and once your star ratings have increased, you can slowly shift to a paid method. So you would say that a lot of jobs in freelancing revolve around digital and tech spaces like graphics, designing and coding and all those things. But freelancing is also a good place for people from humanities background to start. You can work in fields like content creation, content editing, digital social marketing, and all those things. So this is something that people from humanities background can easily do if you have a literature degree, or if you're studying literature, or if you're studying political science, international relations, you can easily create content. The second thing that you can do is that you can also pick up teaching jobs on Freelancer. You have an others field where if somebody is placing a job opening for teaching or for translation into different languages, then this is something that you can in fact do. So Freelancer is the second space that is super easy for beginners to join, and it's a place where you can have a good monthly income. Sometimes, and a lot of the times, it's even better paying than a regular job. The third thing that I am going to talk about is just if you're a beginner, if you are in your college or in the early days of your college and this pandemic has hit you and you're doing something from humanities, you can do internships. The best site for this that I found was 2019.com. So enrolling here is also super easy. All you have to do is to type in 2019 on Google and that site comes. And from that, you have to make a profile for yourself. And by making the profile, you need to start applying for different internships. So again, if you are somebody who is from humanities background, you can look into jobs and into fields that deal with content creation. If not content, you can deal extensively with fields such as digital social marketing. I think that helps a lot, and also social media marketing or sales. So these are some of the favorite picks of humanities students. So you can easily work in those fields. So in this video, I have basically gone over 3 ways in which you can earn money. The first, of course, is you can teach on platforms like Unacademy, YouTube. It's super easy to begin here because all you need is a camera, a tripod, yourself, and your educational content. The second thing that I have talked about is freelancing. So for freelancing, it's important to first make your profile on Freelancer, download it from the App Store, and after doing that, you have to work a couple of times for free. And once you have a good star rating, you can start charging money for your services. Of course, for people in humanities background, you have to work in fields that are non-tech, non-technological, non-engineering fields like content, sales, social media marketing, digital marketing, so on and so forth. The third thing that I have talked about is to just type in 2019 on Google. This website comes, and from there you can just pick an internship that fits your need. So this was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and in case you did, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. That's the red button at the bottom of the